So hey guys, today's video is going to be a very dark smoky eye look. I basically just used black eyeshadow and nothing else on my eyes. I never thought I could pull this off, but I did this for Halloween and I absolutely liked it. So I thought I'm gonna do a smoky eye tutorial, and if you want to see how I did the look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start. I've already done concealer and powder. First step I'm going to do is use an eyeshadow base. This is the MAC Pepper Prime eyeshadow base in medium dark. So, starting off with this, blend it all in nicely. And then I'm going to use a base, which this is the Rimmel Scandaleyes Waterproof Kohl Kajal in black, #1. And I'm going to smudge this around my eyelid, and I'm using like a tapered smudging brush with it. And yeah, this is primarily so that it really is a dark black, the base, and that the eyeshadow I'm going to use sticks on better as well. Yeah, something like this. I try not to put it too much into the crease. And then I'm going to use my MAC Carbon eyeshadow and an eyeshadow brush. And I'm really going to try to put a lot of color on it. And then I'm just going to press it onto the base. So again, I try to stay really on the eyelid and not go too much into the crease. And to blend this out now and use a crease color, I'm using this Essence single eyeshadow in the color Black Goddess. Since this has a little bit of shimmer, this is easier to blend, and it's not as a deep dark black as this one. So that's why I'm going to try to use to blend this out into the crease. Like this. That's why I softened the crease. I like that, but like now here a little bit of the color from the lid went missing. Same on here. So the part that from the lid is right next to the crease. So I'm trying to pack on some more of the carbon black from MAC onto that, so that is like the lid really is black. And then I just want the crease to be black as well, but like a blended black, as you can see. And yeah, that is actually what I'm going for. Yeah, so something like this. And now I'm also going to blend the edges of the super black. And for that I'm using my favorite makeup eraser color, eyeshadow color. This is the Kiko Makeup Single Eyeshadow in 127, and I'm using like a flat brush to really clean up the edges, so that it's just like that I can say where I want all the black in the color to end. And then I'm using the same brush and the same color just as a brow highlight and also as a inner corner highlight, just like that. So for this eye look, what I really can recommend is one of those like stiff blending brushes, or like smudging brushes. That's the word I was looking for. Mine's from e.l.f. and I really do love this brush. Also, if you do like a little bit of eyeliner and you want to smudge that eyeliner a little more, then that's amazing. Then I'm going to use this felt eyeliner from PS makeup, which is Primark makeup. Since this is such a dark eye makeup look, this is not really going to show up, so I make the lines thicker than I would normally. Yeah, something like this. And now you can either do more black underneath, you can leave it like this, but I will try to do like really black underneath as well. And I'm going to use the same eyeliner I used for smudging on the eyelid before. This is such a creamy eyeliner and really nice for the waterline, so that's perfect. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using the Ebelin Lash Curler. And then I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. If you're into fake lashes, I think they would look perfect with this look, but I'm not, so I'm not going to do them. And then for my cheeks, I'm going to be using this palette, which is the Revolution Makeup Ultra Blush Palette in Golden Sugar, which looks something like this. I'm going to be using this as my bronzer, this as my blush, and this as a highlight. So I need a brush for this, something like this. And yeah, I've tried this look for Halloween actually, and then I liked it so much. Like, I never thought I could pull off like this dark of an eye look, because I mean, it's just black. You're just using black on your eyelid, nothing else. But yeah, I've actually been really liking it, so I thought I'll try and do a video about it, and maybe you like it as much as I do. So just let me know. Yeah, that's it. Then for lips, I'm going to be using the Kiko Makeup Milano Pencil Lip Gloss in the color 8.